Welcome to Silver Streak. How's it going, all my silver bugs, gold bugs, precious metal, and numismatic enthusiasts and investors? I hope you're racking and stacking and stacking and racking because the silver market's about to take a bounce. Yes, kids, the United States Mint, Department of the Treasury, they put out an interesting tweet and said they were going to raise the price of a bunch of items that include silver up to like 25%. And that is including the iconic Silver Eagle. And they do have, a nice product. They have, a Silver Eagle that's in a blue box with a certificate of authenticity, and they sell them for like $54, and they're now going to go to $67. And a bunch of their other coins and their metals and a bunch of some coins and metals. Was there anything else? I think that was pretty much it. A bunch of coins and metals, even some of the bronze products I saw that were going to go up in price. And this was to cover their costs. I find this kind of interesting because it's the last year of the Silver Eagle. It's going to be different next year. I think they're changing the artwork. I have some pictures there off the website of what the artwork is going to look like. I think they might be changing their etching process. I think they're going to use a different way of putting the image on the coin. So it's kind of interesting, and this all came out in a tweet. And I'll put some links below where you can go on and check out the pricing on the list. However, they don't have much of it in stock. Most of it is not in stock. They don't even have any like uncirculated eagles that, are not in there. Just how we usually buy them at the coin shop, $30, whatever. The U.S. Mint is always a little higher. They're like $46, for their uncirculated eagles. And if they go through the same price increase through natural circumstance or happenstance, whatever you want to call it, as we watch the market surge this week into the weekend, and we can definitely see what's going to happen. We got the IMF going to make statements, and all kind of news is going to happen on Monday. And then Tuesday, we're going to have the Treasury is going to put in effect this new increase on silver. So we're going to have this grace period of this weekend, the next 24 to 48 hours, to stack it, just to go buy as much of the silver as you possibly can. How can you go wrong? You're buying into the surge. Never mind buying into the dip. Now you're buying into the surge. So the prices are frozen at the moment. It's the weekend. Nothing's really moving. If you could take advantage of it, it's like shooting ducks in a pond. It really is. I added 22 ounces to my stack, and the only thing stopping me from doing more is I ran out of debt notes. So the interesting question is going to be, The interesting question is going to be what Judy Shelton is working in the back of all this. So we know that Judy Shelton is the presidential Trump's advisor. She is the pick to run the Treasury, and we know that she is not a proponent of the Federal Reserve. So she's also wanting the gold standard. She's also believes that the dollar should be based on the gold standard. So it's interesting to see that this price increase comes at a time where the silver market is seeing a lot of volume. There's a great magnitude of new investors and people buying silver. And what a great way to gain more capital, to gain fiat dollars to exchange into gold. And I do think in the back of all this is what the United States Treasury and the United States Mint is working hand in hand to do, is to bolster their capital so they can invest in gold. And I would not be surprised if that's what we see them do. Maybe we won't see it. Maybe they'll do it under the guise of the Defense Act, and we won't be able to visually see them purchase this gold on the open market. But I do believe in some shape or form that's going to happen. And with the silver market, are the other silver mints that mint government coins, are they going to follow suit? Because how many times have we seen, what the United States does, other countries do as well? So are they going to say, yes, we're having the same issues due to the demand and COVID protocols. We're having to ramp up all this, that, and the other thing, and it's costing us more money on the backside to make the coin, and we're going to have to pass it on to the consumer. Is that what we're going to see? So it's going to be an interesting next 48 to 72 hours. I'm not the professional, but I do have a good grip on this, and I've been watching it a good while. It's going to be a fun ride, kids. I think we're going to have a nice bounce. I think we can definitely see prices hit the $50 mark. It could definitely by midweek. $35 would be fun to see, and I know, by the end of the week, $40 is not impossible with the volatility of these markets, the way we've seen them bounce. So with that, if you guys have not had time to check out Money Metals Exchange, this might be a good time, because they, unlike the U.S. Mint, they still have silver in stock. In fact, I just picked up 22 ounces from them this morning. So check out the website, go over there, use the promo Silver Streak. If it doesn't validate, maybe give them a call. I'm going to call them Monday. Someone told me there was a small problem with the validation code, or the code validating. So we're going to check on that. But use the promo code Silver Streak. It's going to get you a half ounce of silver for free when you purchase your first $100 worth of precious metals. It's a one-time use code, so once you get it, you can't get it again. But heck, it's a free half ounce of silver, and it's awesome when you get free silver. So with that, I'm going to say, get on a silver streak, and thank you for listening.